Hey, what's up, my brothers? What's going on? IOTA is going very fastly up, and I tell you in this video to IOTA in upcoming days they going up or they going down. So this is absolutely very important for all IOTA holder, because if you know to IOTA going up, then absolutely you buy it and hold it and wait for good time to sell it. But if you have no idea to they going up or down, then absolutely you are at the lost and you have no experience to this is good time to sell or buy. So I telling you and this video everything, but this is not just one video. I update you every hour, every single day, and every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrency. But you just click on the subscribe button. You know this click. You just click. If you just click on the subscribe button, then my all new videos notification as give you, and then you watch my videos. Then you understand. So this is losing time. This is buying. This is buying time or selling time. Then you be safe from lost. Okay. So let's decide the price prediction of IOTA. Guys, first of all, I'm going to show you the last 1 hour. You can see here this time the latest chart of IOTA as last 1 hour 1.8% they gone up. So congratulations, my brother. IOTA starting moving up and they going like a rocket starting, and I hope in upcoming days they going up like a rocket. They make you millionaire. They take a very good jump. You can see after very bad dump they absolutely take a very high jump. You can see here they're bad and they're starting dump. They starting jump. You can see here, but they take a very small dump and again take a day good dump. So my friend, I think IOTA is going up in upcoming days. Yes, absolutely. I'm 100% sure to in upcoming days they going up like a rocket and they make you millionaire. They give you very good price. So don't waste your time. Please hold it, buy it. If you have any plan to buy more, then please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you very good price at the end of this month. So hope you understand. And this video, please, this is very short video for everyone to understand, because some holders tell me to what video sell or hold. So this is definitely I make this video especially for all those holder who ask me a question. Thanks for subscribing our YouTube channel. Please, if you are new on our channel, please like and subscribe this channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.